Alright, we got a 2015 Silverado 1500. We're doing a front diff change. It has about 60,000 miles on it, so I just had the transmission flushed recently, like the other day, and then, so yeah. Stay tuned, bruh. Okay, so the tools I got here, you'll need a 3/8 drive breaker bar. That's for the drain plug. And then you'll need a 15 millimeter and a 10 millimeter. And I'm using a 3/8 drive adapter for my impact because this is for that belly pan under there. And then an 18 millimeter on a 1/2-inch drive ratchet. That's for the drain plugs. And some lighting. Ooh, baby. Okay, I got the 10 millimeter on. Wow, that's fun. 10 millimeter. Hello. Going to the 15 millimeter for this big boy up here. Another 15. Okay, we got, there's the fill plug there, there's the drain plug there, so hopefully these come out nicely. And this is the driver's side wheel. It's right here. Now the YouTubers, they say crack your top one first, because if you do this one first and you can't get this off, you'd fuck pretty much. So oh fuck. Oh, shit. Un momento. The bolt is currently stuck in here, and I don't want to break it off, so we're heating it up. Alright, so we just got done heating the fuck out of it, and it came loose. It's coming loose, as you can see. You like that? That's some fill plug porn action right there. Do you have a... your face. Is that a thread? It's just gasket. Got a little 3/8 breaker bar on that bitch. We didn't need to heat that one up. It was nice, very nice. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take that out. Well, it should be like thick, right? Nope. Pretty liquidy.
All right, I'm gonna go pee.
All right. It's coming out.
Coming out.
There's a whole bunch of stuff on the drain plug like I was thinking.
Here's what my the drain plug magnet thing looks like. There's just some sludge buildup on it. Hopefully you can see me fingering that nicely. Look at that. Just metal. Ooh. Cool, solid. I like it. I'm enjoying myself. My hands are dirty now. Cool. Just did a little thing like that. That's clean. And then put it back on. Damn it. I got it snugged up. I'd say that's 24 foot-pounds. I'll double check it though here. I guess that's 24 maybe. Let's say it's 24. Fuck it. I think it went a little past 24 TBH, so that's that. Alright, we're putting some AC Delco 7590 in there. Hello? Yep, that ain't gonna work. We need to get farther in there. That's cool. People, we had to go out to AutoZone. We bought this pump here. It was like 12 bucks. All right, let me purge it. Oh, yes. All right, stick it up in there. Hell yeah. This is tough.
Hell yeah, brother.
All right, as you can see, I am pumping this bad boy in there. Jesse's holding the
I gotta
hose.
set that bottle on the edge of that, maybe.
Or I'll pump her. It's almost like this was made for this. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Make sure the hose don't come out. All right, we got our second quart reattached to the nozzle. Oh, yes.
I feel like this is like this should be a physical therapy exercise. Oh! Too much cum. Too much cum.
I don't think I was holding it.
Oh, wow! You suck.
All right. Keep going. It should, whenever that feels about half. Coming out. Does it look like it's coming out? Kind of
Looks like it's coming out. Looks like it's coming out.
Here, take the
Ready to pull out? Ready to pull out? Pull it out.
Give me the hose. Wow, something just in my eye.
Probably rust.
Give
what
me.
are you doing?
Do like 2 more shots. Okay. Wow, it's going in nicely. All right, 1 down, 5 to go. All right, so this was the gear oil I used, $75.90, $75.90, and then this $12 pump here from AutoZone. Not really.
It is now.
Sweet. Probably should line all the bolts up before you tighten them down, but here we are. That's going to be cute on the road. Alright, done. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.
Peace out. Okay, good.